In this video, I'd like to go ahead and cover how to set up your notebook. Setting up your notebook is going to be one of the first things that you want to do as a new athlete or client at Horizon. It's the place where you're going to store all of your training programs, mobility programs, nutrition information, as well as where you're going to communicate consistently with the coaches via the training notes and coach notes tabs. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is go into a browser and you're going to want to download the application onto your desktop. Now, OneNote has several applications. One is a resident application that will be on your computer. One will be a web version, and then there's also versions for your iPhone and your tablets. They're all free, but the one on your desktop when you download it is going to be much more functional. That's where I do all of my work, and then I use the other remote applications just to access the information and from time to time to input my notes. So download the app. You may have to create a Microsoft password and login. Go ahead and do that. They're all free. Once the app is downloaded, it's going to look something like this one here. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and create a notebook. Here's a list of some of the notebooks, but I can also open them up. I can add notebooks from this screen here. Just type in the name. You want it stored on the OneDrive, so it's up in the cloud. Okay, and then you'll hit create. If you want to open up notebooks that are in the cloud, you can open here and it'll list them all. Okay, right now I have the training notebook open. Once you have your notebook created, you need to go ahead and share it with us. That gives us the ability to track what's going on and to look at your notes and go ahead and respond to any questions that you may have, and also to give you some tips on your training progress, provided you are putting notes in there. To share the notebook, you'll go over here, you'll click that button, and you want to invite people to share your notebook. Right here, here's the two addresses that you want to input. You're going to put in bob@horizonsuccess.com. That'll share with Coach Maves. And then you're going to want to put mine in here. And mine is steve.mukensnabl@gmail.com. Okay. At that point, you don't have to put a message or anything. Just hit share. I'm not going to do it because they're already shared with us. That will send us a notification that you're sharing your notebook, and then we can go into our OneNote and open up your notebook and see your progress. Again, we only see the notebooks that you share, so if you have additional notebooks on your computer that you want to do your own personal stuff in, feel free to do that. We're not going to have access to that.